booked, so we'll go down a snorkeling tour. It's gonna be good anyway. Today is beach day, so lay back and enjoy. 3 weeks are over here in Vietnam after almost 60 hours of traveling by bus from north to south without taking a single flight, so I was very exhausting. All the food I ate here was just at least as good as in Indonesia. The landscapes, I don't have to tell you about that, you saw that in my last vlogs. But the best thing, really the best thing, was just the people I met here. Thank you Johnny, Sam, Sabrina, Elian, Omer, Yael, Fabian, Dirk, Fabienne, all you guys I met here, you just were a big part of these 3 weeks, and you made this several times better than it would have been without you guys. But I'm very excited now to move on, go to Bangkok, and finally meet my girlfriend Marissa after not seeing her for 7 weeks, and spend 3 weeks with her. Yeah, just enjoying the time with her. I'm really looking forward to that. I hope you catch me up in Thailand. I will still go on with the vlogs, and you'll get to know her there. See you in Thailand. Bye.